Hello again, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for browsing. It's another video guys. Nandito lang ako here I am at Ikea window shopping. So come on guys, let's go. I will take you with me and we'll do some window shopping here at Ikea. Look at their stuff here. They're very nice and reasonable price they have. So right now I'm in the beddings area or rug area I mean, and then now it's on the lighting area. So I'm just gonna be quickly showing here guys, and you know, if you guys are here in wherever Kukutlam or anywhere near Ikea, it's a very good store to visit for anything, any home or anything house appliances that you need or anything. So furnitures or for kitchen, for bathroom, you name it. And here are the comforters. Thank you so much for watching this short video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. God bless everyone.